contact Pluxee Customer Care. 1. Open the Pluxee app, formerly Sodexo, on your phone. 2. Tap on your profile icon or go to the menu on the top corner. 3. Scroll down and select Help and Support or Contact Us. 4. Choose your issue category such as card problems, balance inquiries, or account issues. 5. You can then reach customer care via the in-app chat feature for instant assistance. 6. Alternatively, send an email to help@pluxee.com. 7. You can also visit the official Pluxee website and go to the contact or support section to submit a help request. 8. If you received your card through your employer, you can also contact your HR department for corporate Pluxee support. 9. Expect a response from the Pluxee team within 24 to 48 hours via email or app notification.